Today we start a new unit. This is Unit 2, and this is Lesson 2.01, and it's called the Segment Addition Postulate. And basically, it's actually a really simple concept. I'm going to use like a football play to start introducing to us. So let's say we have a football player who starts here at point A. He runs and the quarterback throws him the ball after 4 yards. Then, let's call that point B. He runs for 10 more yards and gets tackled at point C. How many total yards did he run on the play? Well, he got it for 4, ran for 10. If we add those together, he went 14 total yards. So basically, here's a little diagram of it. And this is just explaining it. But the key here is, for the segment addition postulate, the pieces of a line segment add up to the whole segment. So those pieces just add up to the total. We could also use this in another way. If I had a line segment that I know the total, let's just make up a number, 25 yards, and I know a player caught a ball after 8 yards, and I wanted to know how much did he run for. Well, I need to find that missing piece. I know the total is 25, but 8 of it is the run. If I subtract, I'll find this missing piece. 25 minus 8 is 17. So you could also use subtraction if you have the whole line and you want to find a smaller piece. So let's look at an example on the inside left here. So I'm given a line segment and I want to find the length of m to k. First of all, mk is just from here to here. But I need to use the whole line segment first to set up my equation. Because I know nm is x minus 6, ml is 9. Let me use a different color. And lk is 2x minus 19. Those are my 3 pieces of the line segment, and the whole thing is 23. So those 3 pieces got to add up to the whole thing. Now I have my equation. I just need to combine like terms and solve. First, I see an x and a 2x, so okay, 3x plus, should have put minus, because I see it's going to be negative here. So 9 minus 6 is negative 3. Minus 19 is minus 22 equals 23. I'm going to add 22 to both sides using my inverse operation. So 3x equals, that's a 5. This is a 4, so we got 45. And then divide by 3, and you get x equals 15. So now that we know x, we want to go back and answer the question. We got to find the length of m to k. So right now I see that, okay, m to k is 9 plus 2x minus 19, that green piece, lk. So 2, but we know that x is 15 minus 19. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 minus 19 is going to be 11. So 9 plus 11 here. 9 plus 11 is 20. So mk is 20. So just a little quick reminder. You want to make sure you find that last piece. Don't just find x. But it's okay. The main idea works. let's go over to this problem that you try. I want you to pause the video, come back, and I'll show you how to do both problems. So you probably tried these on your own by now, but again, we just want to set up our equation. So we need to add our pieces. 13 plus 6 plus 2x minus 18. And the pieces add up to the total, which is 4x minus 29. And again, I'm just going to combine like terms on the left and simplify. So I got a 13 plus 6 is 19, minus 18 is just 1, plus 2x equals 4x minus 29. I want to make things positive, so I'm going to add 29 to both sides here. So 30 plus 2x equals 4x. Okay, I want the x's on the other side, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So 2x equals 30. Okay, divide by 2, x equals 15. My equal sign got messed up. So x is 15, but it says determine the length of t to v. TV is here. So TV is 6 plus 2 times, we said x is 15, minus 18. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 minus 18 is 12. 6 plus 12 is 18. So TV is 18. Nice. Done. Then, the bottom one. Let me just box this off. This is a little more challenging and might be hard to figure out at first. But if I look at this line, I see I have the whole thing is 40. If I want to find VU, that's this piece here. Well, I see 24 plus VU has to equal 40. So 24 plus VU, or X, you could call it X, equals 40. So I'm going to subtract 24, and VU equals 16. Because if this yellow piece here is 16 and that piece is 24, it add up to 40. So that's what fits. It's like a puzzle. Same thing could happen here. I got to find this piece, TS. Well, I see it's 24 plus TS would equal 40, so it's going to be 16 again. And I want to find UT. It says, what is the length of UT? So that's my X. There's no X in this problem, so I could add it here. So I just need to set up my equation. Now I got the three pieces of the line. I got 16 plus X plus 16 equals the whole thing, which is 40. I'm going to solve that really quick. 16 plus 16 is 32. Subtract 32 from both sides. X equals 8. So UT is 8.